Tom, I think I've bitten off more than I can chew. I signed up for cooking classes, yoga, guitar lessons, and a dog training course, all in the same week.
Wow, Anna, you really bit off more than you can chew. Even Superman would say no thanks to that schedule.
I know, but please don't spill the beans to my mom. She already thinks I'm crazy.
Too late. I spilled the beans yesterday. I told her you were trying to become Super Anna, the multitasking hero.
What? Tom, you weren't supposed to tell her.
Relax, relax. She just laughed and said, "That's totally Anna."
Well, at least my cooking class was easy. The teacher said, make scrambled eggs, and I thought, this is a piece of cake.
Careful, Anna. Don't bake a cake in your yoga class by mistake.
Ha ha, very funny. But honestly, I can't keep up. I already have a lot on my plate.
What's on your plate? Real food or just stress?
Both. Too many activities, and also too many donuts.
Classic, Anna. Well, my advice is simple. Choose one thing at a time. Life doesn't have to be a buffet where you put everything on your plate.
You're right, Tom. From now on, no more biting off more than I can chew. And please, no more spilling the beans to my mom.
Deal, but only if you bring me a piece of cake next time.
Fine, but you'll have to wait. Remember, I still have a lot on my plate.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our second lesson on English idioms. In this video, we will learn 4 common idioms related to food and daily life. The idioms are: bite off more than you can chew, spill the beans, piece of cake, and I have a lot on your plate. Let's begin. The first idiom is bite off more than you can chew. This means to take on more responsibility or work than you can really handle.
I decided to work 2 jobs and take night classes.
Wow, you really bit off more than you can chew.
So remember, to bite off more than you can chew means to accept it too much responsibility. The next idiom is spill the beans. It means to reveal a secret or tell something that was supposed to stay hidden.
Don't tell anyone about this surprise party.
Oops, I already spilled the beans to Sarah.
So, spill the beans means to tell a secret. The third idiom is piece of cake. This means that something is very easy to do.
How was the English test?
Oh, it was a piece of cake.
So, piece of cake means something is simple and not difficult at all. The last idiom is had a lot on your plate. It means to be very busy with many responsibilities or tasks.
Do you want to join our club this month?
I'd love to, but I have a lot on my plate right now.
So, to have a lot on your plate means you are too busy with many things to do. Now let's practice with questions and answers. Listen carefully. Sometimes the first answer is wrong and then it is correct with the right meaning. Does bite off more than you can chew mean eating too much food? No, not really. It's me taking on more work or responsibility than you can handle. If I have three jobs and no time to rest, did I bite off more than I can chew? Yes, that's correct. Does spill the beans mean dropping beans on the floor? No, that's false. It's mean telling a secret. If someone says he spilled the beans about the plan, did he keep it hidden? No, he didn't keep it hidden. He told the secret. Does piece of cake mean something is very difficult? No, that's wrong. It means something is very easy. If a student says, the exam was a piece of cake, what is hard? No, it was easy. Does have a lot on your plate mean you are eating too much food at dinner? No, that's not true. It means you are very busy. If my friend has many projects and meetings, does he have a lot on his plate? Yes, that's correct. Does bite off more than you can chew mean to review old work? No, it means you accepted too much work. If I told my friend's secret by mistake, did I spill the beans? Yes, exactly. You spilled the beans. Does piece of cake mean something is almost impossible? No, not at all. It means something is very easy. If a teacher says, you clearly have a lot on your plate, does it mean you are lazy? No, it means you are very busy. Does spill the beans mean to hide through? No, it means the opposite, to reveal the truth. If a student joins 5 clubs at the same time, did they bite off more than they can chew? Yes, absolutely. Does piece of cake mean you need to eat dessert? No, it's just an idiom. It means something is easy.